Hello YouTube, 850 Bimmer, and well, it's been a couple of days and the new bike is here. And this is not the new bike, this is my girlfriend's bike, her 2019 MT-07. This is my new bike. This is a 2020 Ducati Diavel 1260S that is brand spanking new. You can see it even has some of these quality stickers on parts of it. I'll even have some protection around here. And if we look at the trip, let's see, this bike has done 2 kilometers. Doesn't get much newer than that. So here it is in red. I had the steel side panels or air intake panels replaced with black ones. And basically I didn't do much else to the bike. I got heated grips on it, and the rest is pretty much the standard 1260S kit with the Öhlins suspension, fully adjustable, LED headlamp, and yeah, this is pretty much how they look. So I'm going to make a little bit more of an in-depth review on this bike. Obviously I haven't ridden it yet, so I have very little clue as to how it is to ride, but I assume it's going to be great. I'll also go a little bit into details into why I replaced my BMW S1000R with this bike, but there were a number of reasons, but I'll cover that in the next video. So stay tuned.